students, good morning to all. Today we will discuss about second standard social science, second lesson, the earth. The earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. In which planet we are living? Earth, very good. The earth is the living planet in the solar system. We live on the earth not only us, plants and animals also live on the earth. It is made up of land and water. A small model of the earth is called a globe. What is this? Very good. Globe. The small model of the earth is called a globe. What is the shape of the earth? Very good. Round in shape. The earth is a round in shape. The earth is also called blue planet. Do you know why? The earth is consists of 71% of water and 29% of land. There is more water on its surface. So, earth is called a blue planet. See here, this is blue color. This is water. This is land. The more water on its surface, they look like a blue color. So this is called a blue planet. Okay. Now see continent. Continents. What is called continents? The land masses of the earth are called continent. Land masses. How many continents are there? Very good. 7 continents. What are the continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Totally 7 continents. See here, world map. Asia, 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 AFRICA, Africa, NORTH, North, AMERICA, America, North America, SOUTH, South, AMERICA, America, South America, AUSTRALIA, Australia, EUROPE, Europe, ANTARCTICA, Antarctica. Totally 7 continents. Which is one of the largest continent among them? Very good. Asia is the largest continent. See here, this is Asia, largest continent. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Here, Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. Now see oceans. What is oceans? The huge water bodies or the earth are called oceans. Water bodies. How many oceans are there? Very good. 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Ocean. And the Indian Ocean. Totally 5 oceans. See here, Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C. Atlantic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. A-N-T-R-C-T. Antarctic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Indian Ocean. Totally 5 oceans. Which is the largest ocean on the earth? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay, children. Now see landform. What is meant by landform? Landform or nature. Human being living here. They grow crops and build houses. We use transport on a landform. There are different types of landform. Now see different types of landform. First one is plains. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Second one, hills. H-I-L-S, hills. Third one is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Fourth one is valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. Fifth one is plateau. P-L-A-T-E-A-U, plateau. Sixth one is desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Now see some of them. Now see one by one. First one, plains. See, P-L-A-I-N, plain. Plains are a vast area of flat land. Vast area means மிகப்பெரிய பரந்த பூமி. Of flat land. The land is flat. Which is suitable for living here. Cities and villages are built in the plains. It is a fertile land. Fertile land means செழிப்புள்ள வளமுள்ள மண். Different types are growing here. So most of the people living here, living in the plains. See, this is called plains. Second one, hills. H-I-L-L-S, hills. Hills is a place higher than surrounding land. Hills is a place higher than surrounding land. Hills is a smaller than mountain. Very high hills are called mountains. They are covered with snow. See here, this is snow. They are often covered with snow. The tip of the mountains is peak. Peak means sigaram. The end of the mountains. This is called a peak. Next one is, what is this? Valley. Valley are a low land between two hills or two mountains. Here, between two hills or two mountains. There are thick forests in valley. Valleys are three types. U-shaped valley, V-shaped valley, and a flat floor valley. Totally three types of valley. This is low land, two hills or two mountains. This place is called valley. Okay. Next one is plateau. See here, Plateau are also called tableland. Tableland. Some high areas are flat on their top and look like a tabletop. See here, this is tabletop. It is a form of a plateau. This look like a tableland. This end of the is tableland. Okay, this is called a plateau. Desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Desert, as we all know, is a dry land which is covered with sand. See here, this is sand. There is a scarcity of water in the desert area. Very few plants are growing here. So, the animals like the camel live in the desert. Okay, which is the ship of the desert? Camel. Yes, camel is the ship of the desert. Children, now see waterfall. What is mean by waterfall? Waterfall is produced on the earth. Waterfall is produced on the earth and in many forms. It gets circled on the earth as rain. Which is the purest form of the water? Rain is the purest form of the water. Now see some of the waterfall. River, lake and a sea. Now see one by one. See, now see river, R-I-V-E, river. River is natural flowing water and usually fresh water. Flowing towards ocean, seas or lakes. In beginning of the river, mountains or hills where melted snow and rainwater get collected. The beginning of the river is called source and the end of the river known as mouth. Okay, this is flowing water. This is natural place. This is called a river. Now see lake. L-A-K-E, lake. See, small amount of water that covered by all land. It is called a lake. Small amount of water that covered by land all side. This is land covered by land all side. This is called a lake. Some lakes are fresh water. Some lakes are much salter than sea. This is called a lake. Now sea. S-E-A, sea. Sea is a large water body. Sea is a large water body. Sea water is salty. It cannot be used for irrigation, cooking or drinking purpose. Sea is smaller than ocean. Okay children, our earth is very beautiful and precious. It gives us many things. It provides us sunlight, air, water and food. We should not spoil or waste anything. We must keep our environment clean and healthy. Now I complete the lesson in the earth. Now so give some hard words and question answer. See them. See hard words. H-E-R-D, W-O-R-D-S words. Hard words. Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-S. Precious means value. Precious, value. Vast area. V-A-S-T. Vast. A-R-E-A. Area. Vast area. Vast area means enormous surface. Vast area means enormous surface. Scarcity. S-C-A-R-C-I-T. Scarcity. Scarcity means deficiency. Scarcity means deficiency. Environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Environment means surrounding. Environment means surrounding. Fertile, FERTILE, fertile. Fertile means fruitful and productive. Fruitful and productive. Now see question answer. Answer the following questions. Where do you live? Where do you live? Very good. We live on the earth. We live on the earth. What are called continents? The large land masses are called continents. The large land land masses on the earth are called continents. The large land masses on the earth are called continent. Which is the ship of the desert? Already you know answer. Very good. Camel is the ship of the desert. CAMEL, camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. Next question. Name the largest ocean on the earth. Name the largest ocean on the earth. Very good. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth. Next question. What is called a lake? What is called a lake? Small amount of water that cover by land or sea. So this is called a lake. Okay children, I give some hard and question answer. You write it and read it in your home. Thank you.